Okay, now that you know there are real and imaginary numbers, there's a way to graph real and imaginary numbers as well. So since we have those imaginary numbers, the graph, the axis has to be different. You're used to graphing with an x and a y, and both the x and y are real numbers. When you have an imaginary number, you're going to kind of do it a little different. Your real axis is going to be on the xy, or the x-axis, so going across, and then your imaginary number is going to go up and down. So I'm going to take this, I've got a -2, that's my real number, so it's got to go over here at -2. Okay, so it'll be somewhere on this line, somewhere on this line, somewhere on this line, okay, for the -2. And then my imaginary number is a -3. So what I'm doing is I'm going to -2 on the x, and then down to -3 for the imaginary. So this one is at -3, but they did a +2, so that can't be right. This one's at a -2, but they went up to a +3. That's not right. This one is at, they completely flipped them. It's a -3, -2. That doesn't work. And I can see that D is my only one. The X coordinate, is at the -2, and then it goes down to -3. Okay, so that's how you graph imaginary numbers. Make sure the real axis says it's this way. The imaginary axis is up and down. So really you're just graphing -2, -3.